Hey guys, this is Eric RPG, and when I last left off, I got through the second dungeon and defeated. I think they were called the Madragoras or the Moldoras or something like that. The centipede things. I can't remember because it's been too many years, and I'd have to actually look at the strategy guide. But got through the desert. We got the gloves in. We got flippers, so we can go through water now. And I gave lots of money to a fairy for extra stuff. And now we're at the Death Mountain. I've climbed Spectacle Rock and got a few more heart pieces, and we're onwards to the third dungeon. Hera's Tower. Or the tower. I don't know why it's called Hera's Tower, but whatever. Probably because it resembles the ancient Greek myth. Let's just knock this guy out if I can hit him. Yeah, he kind of jumps out of the way. The blue one's tougher than the red one. That's interesting. Yep. Screw hitting that switch. Sharashala the Elder. Yeah, you can use the magic mirror as a teleportation device to get back to the beginning of the dungeon. And the map's right at the beginning. Now we could go in there, but that's not a good idea yet. Then, yeah, it's not a good idea. I think we have to do this first. Oh wait, I forgot. I have to do this. And unlike the last one, you have to take care of this. There's no hidden switches. You just gotta endure. Just keep your sword poked out. Or you can slash them if you have good timing. Sorry, I'm still trying to recover from my cold. I'm going to cough often. Haha, that was kind of funny. Alright, we're supposed to hit these switches. Or lanterns. We already get the big key to this place? Jeez. I'm pretty sure we have to hit that switch. Take that. Get out of the way. If I hit it the other way earlier, I would have had an easier time, but oh well. Because I like killing things. The compass. So the moon pearl is in the tower. Yes, it's in fact it's right ahead of me, but I can't reach it yet. So yeah, I need it in order to get through the dark world. So you hit that, but then that happens. So you're really supposed to... What you're really supposed to do is you're supposed to fall from the top, but you can't really do anything about that yet. See that hole there? This is where we need to drop from. Don't hit those. They're your way out. And we... Oh goody, I don't need that. Those look like cracks in the wall, but they really aren't. They don't do anything. Then again, we can always check it out. I got plenty of bombs. Nope, see? They don't do anything. And the boss room's ahead. So we're going to save state, because if we fall, it's going to be annoying to recover from it. And this is Moldorm, the menace of many a player. So we got one hit off. 2 hits. This is when he starts getting very difficult. Whoops, I pressed the wrong button. See, that's what happens when you get knocked off. Don't hit his head. Of course, it is safer just to slash him. Gotcha! And that's the boss, guys. And we get the third and final pendant. This was power. The last one was wisdom. Oh, maybe I was wrong. Well, it should be power since it's red. But whatever. I think they got either the colors screwed up. But we can't do anything there yet. So what I'm going to do is jump off and take the scenic exit. Boom. I might have room for the second dungeon today. There's like not much else to do, but take care of business. And we're off the mountain already. We're headed to the Lost Woods to finally claim the Master Sword, since we now have all 3 pendants. Just go up here. And it's right up here. Don't pick up those fake swords. There are thieves also in the forest, but we don't need to go to those areas. Animals! More Hylian. Let's see. Heroes triumph on Catalysm's Eve. Wins 3 symbols of virtue. They're talking about the penance. Master Swords will then retrieve. He'll then retrieve, keeping the knight's line true. Ching! Deflecting wizard's evil powers, yes. In fact, he erected a barrier that we can only destroy with this sword. Alright, time to go to the castle and reclaim it. Who's talking to me? Aye! It's actually Zelda. But yeah, damn it, I need to go to the church first. Oh yeah, I don't... That's a thief. He steals money. Don't touch him. Oh yeah, they put bombs in the new... some of the other parts of the area now, and the forest has been cleared for whatever reason, and there's no fog anymore. And we do twice the amount of damage we used to do, and the sword's also longer. Alright. Cha-cha-cha-cha! Yeah. What's going on? Uh-oh. What did they do to you, though? What, they killed you? Come on, you're a defenseless priest. They could have just knocked you out. Oh well, I guess that's how cruel they are. Yeah, so we're going to the castle. Taking the side entrance. Oh yeah, when you've got full health, you can do that. Projectile attacks. Right now, at its current level, it's about as strong as a normal sword strike. Oh yeah. Now enemies pop up in bushes, and they're throwing bombs from the castle walls. We're storming the front gate, because we're awesome. And what we want to do here is climb up the stairs, go up, and go out the door. Then we want to hit this. Yay. There was a heart piece I could have gotten, but I'm going to wait till later to get that when it's more convenient. Yeah, it's not as efficient, but it's safe. Oh, a key. You could have just made that a shorter door that opened after I killed him, but whatever. It's dark in here. Aha. Let's light this place up. We need to find the key in here. I think that switch just opens the door. The door that we came in. Yeah, let's get another fairy. Oh, I blocked that attack just in time. Yeah, when you have full health, you don't need to use the ice rod. And that also opened a door. Oh, and I took a hit, but I got a heart anyway, so it's okay. Yeah, I'm gonna freeze you, because screw you guys. Oh, it doesn't work on them. Well, that's lame. Let's see what Sarashala has to say. Yeah, we can't attack the wizard directly. Gee, I wonder what item does that. Alright. Let's loot this place. Since I have arrows and I hardly ever use them, let's kill him with them. There we go. Yeah, somehow I'm able to block that and he's able to shoot through a statue. Whatever. Oh boy. We're already here. The evil wizard. Is the game going to be over? Uh-oh. That's not good. That doesn't really look like Zelda, but then again, she's not wearing a crown. Zap! And we failed. Also, her hair color is not right. I think they really just used the sprite of one of the 7 maidens because they were lazy, but oh well. Well, we're still going to kill you because you did bad things. Like to be totally destroyed? Well, I can make your wish come true. So what you want to do here is watch out for what he does. And I'm going to show you something goofy. Due to a programming bug, you can use the net as a master sword. Well, you're really supposed to use the sword. Oh, those are the things you want to watch out for. Oh, come on, man. Also, when you're in the center and he does not move from that position, get out of the way, because he'll cast lightning, and it really hurts. Of course, if I'm not near him when he does that, it doesn't matter. You have to be direct center of him. More lightning. And it has a large radius. It potentially does. So, take that into consideration. And he only does it from the center of the room. So that's when you know. When he goes in the center, he could be doing anything. Come on, just give up the ghost already. Gah! Well met. Uh-oh, he's gonna send us to the Dark World. Well, we kind of have to go there anyway, so isn't that good? Although, I guess if you didn't have the Moon Pearl at this point, you'd be kind of screwed, and you'd have to go back and get it. We're on top of a pyramid where the castle would have been. The Land of Darkness. Win back the golden power. Okay. Yes, we have to do that too. Rescue 7 maidens. So they're like the Dragon Balls now. Yay. So yeah, mark on our map where we have to go next. That's where we have to go, number 1. It's not far from here, but I'm probably gonna make a small pit stop before I go there. Because there's something I can get. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, some of the stones are now skulls. How quaint. Or not quaint, novel. Pretty sure this is just a standard item shop. Yep. I could buy medicine, but nah. I've got fairies. They'll restore my health. Nearly all of it at this point. Fairies will become less useful soon, though. Yeah, I gotta watch out for some of them. They're enemies. Alright, we gotta throw something at this guy to get him to wake up. Hey, dude! Yeah, we got some magic. We need this to get into one of the dungeons, so that it's important you do this. And with that taken care of, we can go to the first level now. The enemies here seem to drop money a lot more often than they don't. Oh yeah, soldiers hide in bushes just like before. And he's kicking my butt. Enemies here hurt a lot more. Moblins. Good thing there's a fairy fountain still here in this world. Whoa. There is a heart piece here, but I'm trying to remember how I get to it. The power of gold. Okay, that's nice to know. So yeah, so the last person who came here made this place messed up. Now this guy's a tree who can't move from where he is. We can dash you into the wall. Get some hearts if we need them. Don't really, but oh well. Aha, see? You can tell where you can go by looking at the faint outlines of the bushes and where there's openings. Okay, wrong way. We got a monkey following us. 10 rubies. Fine. I think there's a heart piece here. I could be wrong. I don't remember. Yeah, there isn't. Never mind. Maybe this is what I'm thinking of. Rubies. Rubies. You got rubies? It looks like you can, but oh well. What's this monkey doing? 100 rubies. Okay. What are you gonna do with all that money, monkey? Buy bananas? I haven't seen any. Slam. And with that, I'll call this an episode. Guys, see you guys later on the next episode of Legend of Zelda: Link to the Past for the Super Nintendo. See you guys. Bye bye.